We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, hey. Today I am going to be making a wig with y'all. Okay. I'm just gonna let you guys know my house, for one, I need to clean up. I got all of this stuff. I got all of this stuff on our little family couch. Well, no family, but we're gonna get into making this wig. Okay, yes, we're gonna get into making this wig, and hopefully I'll be done with this wig by hopefully I'll be done with doing this wig by tonight. Hopefully before tonight. The frontal is bomb as hell. I gotta show y'all the frontal. The bundles in the frontal come from Unice. And girl, like, let's just get into, like, can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that though? That's all I want to know. Okay, you can see it. Okay. But yeah, for to get into making this frontal. Also, I bought a tree. In my last video, I mentioned that I bought a tree, but when I actually bought the tree, I didn't think the tree would be this big, but it is. So we're gonna make it work, okay? But here is the tree. Wow, this is the tree, you guys. It's a fig tree, and I plan on putting some lights around the tree for Christmas. That way, you know, it'll be cute. It'll be nice for Christmas. Put some lights around it. It'll be a little innovative, a little different, you know, because it's not, you know, your normal Christmas tree. But she gonna look. It's gonna look nice. It's gonna come together. Everything is gonna come together. But I just wanted to see y'all before I jumped into making this wig and let y'all know how everything was going for Vlogmas, which it really isn't. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm participating in Vlogmas or not, but y'all getting the content, okay? That's all that matters. My whole house smells like, I think I showed y'all those candles I bought from Walmart, and right now my whole house smells like pumpkin, and I love it. I love pumpkin spice. So I got this candle right here going. This is one of the candles that I bought from Walmart, and it's the apple pumpkin, farm apple pumpkin. I also got some plug-ins with pumpkin spice, so it feels real fall-y up in here, real, you know, holiday-ish. Yeah, real holiday-ish. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to this. I even went took the extra mile to put my little batteries in my little fake candles to get a little spiritish up in here. Just a little bit more holiday cheer spirit type of thing. Not too much, because, you know, I really don't have money to spend to you know, do the holiday shit like that. But just enough to say, hey, I'll try. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get to making this mixture to bleach these knots, and I'll show you guys the finished product once I'm done. Meantime, in between time, make sure y'all click the subscribe button, okay? Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell, okay? And make sure you're getting notified every time I upload, okay? And then hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you like the video, okay? Hey guys, I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know that I finished this wig. Okay, she's done. The wig is done. Look at them baby hairs. Very good, very good. Yes, comfortable baby hairs. But anyways, I got a whole nother wig to do. And when I say I'm so fucking tired, y'all, I'm tired, baby. Girl, need a vacation already, and I ain't really even did nothing. But I got another wig to do, another frontal and bundles to make another wig. So, just wanted to let y'all know what I was doing. I probably could end up trying to somehow wrap this wig up, get it packaged, and sent off. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do that just yet, but I'm gonna find a way. Another thing is, I also, on top of doing this wig, I've been doing my hair. I'm deep conditioning my hair right now. I needed to wash my hair really bad, so it had to happen. I couldn't postpone it any longer. What else? I don't know if I showed y'all my fig tree, but I've been planning on getting a Look at this big ass tree. I've been planning on getting a
some sort of artist, I guess.
Getting some Christmas lights to put on a fig tree. So I'm probably gonna do that within the next couple of days, and I'll record it for you guys. Meantime, in between time, I'm gonna start cleaning up, get it prepared to wrap this wig up, ship it off, and go to bed. Like, I'm tired. I hope you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Just want to say thank you for the support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Also, hit that notification bell for your girl. And give this video a thumbs up, okay? All right, bye.